Welcome back to another Excel tutorial. Today we want to explore how to use the ISERROR function. The ISERROR function is a commonly used function in Excel and other spreadsheet programs designed to test if a cell contains an error value and returns true if it does and false otherwise. These errors could arise from incorrect formulas, missing data, or invalid operations, among other reasons. The ISERROR function belongs to the group of information functions within Excel and checks whether a value is an error of any kind, so also the not available error is included. The syntax starts by ISERROR open parentheses, and then you fill in the value that you want to check. And value is a value to be tested for any error condition. So right here I already prepared 3 error types: the reference error, the division by zero error, and the not available error. And we'll check if the ISERROR function or how the ISERROR function works. So you basically, like there I did a VLOOKUP function, there I divided sales by 0, and there I did an XLOOKUP function to get those errors. And now you can use the ISERROR function to check if a cell contains an error. So we basically start by an equal sign followed by ISERROR. Then we open the parentheses and we mark the cell that we want to check. We close the parentheses, we hit enter, and we'll get a true back. So for any error the function finds, you'll get a true back. For no error, you'll get a false. We can drag this down right now, and you can see we'll get a true for all errors. This differs from the ISERROR function. So right now, if I type in ISERROR and refer to H12, hit enter, I get a false for the not available error. If I drag this up, for all the other values I'll still get true, but for the not available error I get false. But why is that? So first of all, we have to say that the ISERROR function is similar to ISERROR, but it does not consider the not available as an error, while ISERROR treats all error types, including the not available, as errors. And the distinction between ISERROR and ISERROR allows for more precise error handling in formulas. Specifically, not available is often used deliberately to indicate that data is not applicable or not available rather than an error in calculating or logic. And by using ISERROR, you can filter out these intentional not available markers and focus on detecting genuine errors in your data or formulas, allowing for more handling and analysis of data. So it's just a thing, the not available error isn't a real error, so you're just saying, the data I'm referring to is not there, and all the other errors are, I would say, real errors. So you can use the ISERROR function if you want to get all errors except for the not available error, and ISERROR, so this function right here, if you want to detect all errors, doesn't matter what error it is. And those functions are often used in if statements to check if there's an error, and if there's an error, you'll get back true. So you can check for true and then value if true and value if false. So you can then define if there's an error to give error, and if there's no error you can type in the formula that you want to have. Like for example, if you want to divide sales by 2, and you can check if there's an error, and if not, then divide sales by 2. And this is basically how the ISERROR function works. If you like this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up, and see you in the next video.